Welcome to my lecture 3. So in the earlier we just seen the introduction about the composites. So how the composites has been used and what are their detailed lecture series that we're going to discuss here. How the composites has been classified, in what way, which are the used to call as a composites. So in this way we just seen in detail in our earlier class. Okay, so it is a summary of my previous class. So today we are going to see their classifications are there. Okay, so the first of all we need to classify the composite materials into three different categories. The first one, it is about ceramic matrix, which I told you earlier. Following that, organic matrix. Following that, this organic matrix, the organics is nothing but when we are using the polymers as an material, we use it to call it as an organic. Okay, so this organic material matrix has been classified into two different types. One is called polymer matrix, another one is called carbon matrix. In the polymer matrix, we use it to classify into two different types. One is a thermistic and another one is a thermoset matrix. Okay, so this composite materials, which has again classified into based upon their reinforcement, it can be again classified into fiber reinforcement, particulate composites, structural composites. Fiber reinforced composite means it is then either it may be a natural fiber or either it may be a man-made fiber. We're just using the fiber as a reinforcement. As I said, generally fiber having a properties of high stiffness. Okay, it is a highly load bearing, it having a high stiffness and a high strength. Okay, that is what you call that fiber reinforced. Man-made composites means, let us take glass fiber, nylon fiber, not come by nature. Okay, so that is the meaning of man-made and natural fibers. Okay, so this natural fibers again has been classified into so many types based on where it has been extracted. It may be extracted from stem, it may be extracted from root, it may be extracted from trees, or it may be extracted from fruit or otherwise root. So whatever it is, the natural fibers can be extracted from so many things from the plants. Okay, so the degree of fiber reinforced composites, this can be again classified into, you just see there is a two different type, that is in glass fiber and carbon fiber. And second category, it is about particulate composites. The meaning of particulate means which the particle. Okay, we use it to make by using the powder or nano powder or micro powder, which we are using for manufacturing the component. This is the composition of powders. It's not by using fibers, it is by powders. Let me take a good example for particulate composites. We do the coating techniques. Okay, wherever the materials are by using some metals or non-metals, if we use it to manufacture, in order to avoid the rust, we just trying to do the coating over that concerned component. That concerned component which has been coated with the help of these particles. Okay, it may be either by nano coating or it may be either by micro coating. But there is some coating technique which has been used in order to prevent the rust, and also it ensures their durability of component. It increasing their wear resistance, the category of particulate composites. A good example of particulate composites which we use to call it as a cement. Okay, so we use it to build the house with the help of this cement sand. Okay, the bonding strength of cement and sand is matrix, but cement is a microparticle. Okay, so hence it is coming under the category of particulate composites. Suppose if we coat some material, if we giving some additional coating, that is also coming under the particulate composites. Okay, so coming to the third one, that is in structural composites, it has been again classified into two different categories. One is called sandwich composite and another one is called laminated composite. Sandwich, take many examples. If we go and have some sandwich bun, or if we having sandwich items in sandwich eatable items, means it is a combination of different materials like vegetables, we having some fruits, we having some man-made breads or whatever it is. There is a mixing of it. Okay, that is what we call the sandwich. In case of laminator, plywood is in laminated composites. If you take a plywood, it is a combination of different materials, but of course it is a laminated one. So these are all coming under the classification of composite material with respect to their reinforcement. Thank you so much.